Mkungu Elephant angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nabantu abadala
This is
ngeke
Home
ngihambe
Run
ngedwa
with
ngize
Makeba
ngihambe
PMP.
nabantu abadala.
Mawungibona we Makeba. This is Home Run with Makeba. Mawungibona we Makeba. Bekelela nawidladla. This is Home Run with Makeba PMP. If ungibona shout outs bafethu umemeza igama Makeba we Makeba we Makeba. This is Home Run with Makeba PMP. Angithi uyangithola.
Hola bafethu ngiphinde ngilibingelele bafethu wena usangihambi ngedwa ngeke ngihambe ngedwa ngohlale ngahambi ngedwa uMageba uhamba nabantu abadala all the way from le ePietermaritzburg ngiphethe ubaxolele behind the camera uMageba PMP kunamajimbo sengibabonile lamajimbo sasha umsonko ngiyabona lo msonko wawo muhle mfethu ngifuna ukwazi ngawo usikahle kahle aqale kanjani ubani oinspire ukusazatetele le drip noma uRicky noma ubani oshayina umsonko oshayina ngoba bafethu ngiyabona bayi arts ngendlela engibabuka ngayo mina ngibona i-arts angithi ngithola asibangene nje singapholisi maseko ngaze kuphele namabhetri kuphele nani sicele yabona mfethu singibona amajimbosi nje ayami bajimbosi ni grand yo mswenko bafethu mina nguMageba PMP all the way from le ePietermaritzburg angizwa ngithola bafethu ngabe njengamanje mfethu ngikhuluma nobani ngifuna ukwazi imbuzo mbalingadini bafethu khona ishow esishayayo kuthiwa i-home run show noMageba PMP ongahambi yedwa uhamba nobaxolele behind the camera ngithi ngiyangithola manje bafethu khona imibuzo nje ngifuna ukunikayo nemncane nje ngiyangithola ngabe njengamanje mfethu ngikhuluma nobani
Yo, this motherfucking designer would say, yeah, Mr. Hip Hop Cargo himself. That's who I am.
Fire Mr. who
Hip Hop Cargo, my nigga.
Hip Hop Cargo
Hip Hop Cargo.
from where
From here, in Maboneng.
in Maboneng no
That's
born
what's
and
up.
raised and battered here
What you mean, dog? Me, I'm born here, but I'm here now, my nigga.
Nah.
I'm doing this shit here.
High fire, shout out, my nigga.
That's what's up.
Showcase. Can I please pass on? I'll come back. Ne?
Yeah,
Showcase.
check
Twala, my nigga. Showcase. Njayam.
Except
Ukraine talk.
I'm not.
Twala face. Who am I speaking to right now?
I'm speaking to Ankasa.
You can watch the camera.
Oh, I watch the camera, not the mic. You speaking to Ankasa, man.
Ankasa from?
Ankasa around in Maboneng, Josie.
You grew up here also?
Nah, I'm here for the hustle, man.
Oh, ne.
We are here, brother.
So where is home, my nigga?
Home is far, my brother. Sorry for another day, but yeah, let's chop it up.
Okay, we can use
You know
this
the
mic
trick.
here.
Oh, it's the mic
yeah.
and the camera, but yeah,
Showcase.
let's do it that way. What are you saying?
Oh, ne.
Yeah.
Showcase. Why are you running away, my nigga? Are you afraid? Okay, no, okay. Okay, no problem. Showcase my nigga. Okay, I can see the drip. My nigga is very dope. Umswenko kalo.
Too much. Anytime we mop, man.
Ne, you mop.
We mop.
Okay,
anytime.
first, what inspires your drip, my nigga? You all drip, guys. What inspires this, man?
Us, we are rebels, though.
Rebels.
Come closer, man.
Come closer so that they can see, man.
Yeah.
This is Steve Biko. Who's
We are
this?
street rebels, man.
Ne. Who's this person here?
Oh, this one is Pico, man.
Biko, man. Shout out.
No way.
One love. That's my nigga.
I
He
know
fought for
what
our
God.
struggle.
Oh, well.
Young tall. Twala njaya okay mfethu manje kahle bafethu usondela nje ungawari mfethu okay mfethu manje i-drip le iqala nini iza kanjani ubani inspire ubani ofika ne-idea ukuthi manje you can do this shit man who came up with that idea
Who you asking? Me or this nigga, though?
both of you guys
What did they say? Come again, though.
You said what?
who inspires you to start this thing that you're doing right now
Who inspired the dream?
you to create yeah who inspires you who
So-
inspired you
This nigga, bro.
oh no
Yeah, this nigga inspires me a lot.
he started first
So I'm always in my head.
nah
Yeah.
oh I get you my nigga
Shit doesn't come far.
yeah the shit doesn't come far izwile lapha emakhaya ngithi angithola the shit is near not the shit the shit angithi angithola these guys are making the moves man here in Maboneng Johannesburg this is home run with Makeba PMP angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nabantu abadala ngithi angithola man aware my nigga right now my nigga awusho lo mswenko uphusha kahle kahle wena mfethu what do we call it the name of this mswenko
The name of this Msweko, though. Even this nigga knows, man.
Yeah.
Shit is
Okay, can I
hip-hop,
ask
my
him?
nigga.
Oh, we call it
Shit
hip hop.
is hip-hop,
Shit
my
is a
nigga.
hip
That
hop.
shit is the dream, my
Yeah,
nigga.
fire, ne.
Drip
I can
with
tell,
it.
I can tell, my nigga. Okay,
what goes
man,
on.
why do you get these paints and these fabrics? If I can ask you.
I'm not even gonna tell you where I get this shit. But where source this shit?
Yeah.
We're hustling for this shit, man.
You hustle every day.
Everything.
Yeah.
I just said to you.
Okay, my niggas. Okay, where can people get this clothing? Where can people get hold of it?
You're interviewing me alone.
No, I'm not interviewing. It's just that when you don't have a problem. Even my nigga here doesn't have a problem.
Yeah, let's talk. Yeah.
Showcase.
Okay, there's a camera and a mic. Yeah,
Yeah.
we were saying,
Okay, the name of the trip.
oh,
you
the
just said.
name of the trip, the brand is Hip Hop Cargo. Everything is hip hop. Everyone is hip hop. Even if you're doing piano, you're tripping hip hop.
Face.
You're doing maskandi, you're tripping hip hop. So everything is hip hop. We
Yeah,
live in
yeah.
hip hop. Hip hop is the lifestyle. And so it's strat, so that's the lifestyle.
Manje
That's how we do
nje
it.
okay mfethu uma uhlaphe ngisha ngalo mswenko hlaphe ngihlale eKapa noma ngihlale eDubane kodwa ngiyawubona mfethu lo mswenko lo mfethu ngiyawudinga ngawuthola
It's
kanjani
nationwide delivered, baba. Sayashaya. Ngena la Instagram. You can order that. So deliver that out corner.
What's the name? What's your account on Instagram?
Hip Hop Cargo, man.
Hip Hop
That's
Cargo.
Hip Hop Cargo. Anywhere you are around South Africa, yeah,
You
we
can get it.
deliver. You can get it.
Yeah.
Ungazinishi, baba.
Yeah,
Get it.
fire.
Yeah. Sooner or later, don't be late. You know how it goes. Let's
Showcase.
say.
Face.
Thank God.
Oh no, we haven't
Oh,
done
oh,
yet.
we are not done, but,
We
yeah,
are
we're
not
still
done
around.
yet. My nigga. The one question, the last question I want. Oh,
Yeah.
the first question and the last one are coming right now.
Yeah.
The most famous question on this show is, what do you wish to do for your family, or what have you done for them?
Ish, that's a tough one. What was it again?
What have you done for your family, and what do you wish to do for them?
Ish, what I have done for them. Yeah, is that I kept on doing what I do, man.
What is that, my nigga?
What I'm doing right now.
Oh, yeah. For your family.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
doing this for your
them,
family.
bruh.
Bye.
That's for them.
Oh, are you okay? I was thought you would say maybe build them their home, maybe take them to overseas, something like that.
Now, obviously, I'll do all of that, but it's not necessary for everyone to know what I'll do for my family, you know.
Right.
So, yeah, I'm just doing it for them, but whatever I'll do is for them.
It's for them.
I'm sorry.
Not for everybody.
Not for
no.
everyone, man.
Yeah. I get you, my nigga. Can I
So-
move on to this nigga?
Yeah,
Brother,
carry on. Let's say
showcase.
salute.
One love. Showcase. My nigga. As you've heard the question, the first one, because I'm coming with the last one. With the last one. Showcase, can we please go check your drip that side, my nigga? Showcase my face. Hey, you better check out umswenko hip hop car confess. Hip hop car confess. Into him. Yo, and this thing is heavy, my nigga. Ne. Show. Yo. Yeah, ne.
The home of art.
The home of arts, hip hop kako, my nigga. Say home run, but face hip hop kako.
This is where you find the culture, man.
Stepping on
Ne.
the cast.
Mfethu, njengoba sabuza mfethu ukuthi what do you wish to do for your family or what have you done for them?
For my fam, nigga. Dog, I used to do a lot of shit for my fam, nigga. Yeah.
Maybe if you can mention one, J.
I like to buy a house.
A house, my nigga.
That's the song.
Showcase, I love your lingo. Twala, my nigga. Twala ngawe. Got a crib, ne? Where here in Jos.
I know, man. Anywhere in this world.
Yeah, I bet it. The world is bigger, my nigga. Yeah, ne?
That's what's up, though.
That's what's up for good. Twala ngawe, my nigga. God bless you guys.
You know.
What you're doing is very crazy. What you're doing is very good. What you're doing is very massive. Can you understand? Twala ngawe njayami.
Shout out, though.
God bless you. God bless you.
bless you.
Besa kheti.
God bless Hip Hop Cargo. God
Ah,
bless
hip hop kako forever. My wish is to see your trip maybe in stores.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You better do that shit.
You have to, my nigga. Your market should be bigger.
It is big.
It is
I
bigger.
don't know.
So I bet I just know. Can you please tell me, guys? Okay, can you please tell me where can? Okay, you said we can get this thing from Instagram, ne? If I want to buy it, I can contact you via Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, social
You can watch the camera. What's happening
Oh,
now?
there's a camera, TikTok, Facebook. Yeah, all those socials, man. You can get what you want.
Okay, the last question is, what is the importance of the woman in your life?
Importance of a woman in my life. currently I don't have a woman in my life.
Oh, not the one you dating, my
Oh,
nigga.
my mother,
A
yeah.
woman, the importance of the woman as a whole, all the women in South Africa, what's the importance of the woman?
So peace, bruh. Yeah, stability, yeah, stability, peace,
Yeah.
reasoning, yeah. That's the
Showcase.
use of a woman, yeah. They are good.
You
in
heard
a
the
way.
question, my nigga, from America.
I'm not from America.
I'm kidding, my nigga. I'm kidding. But it's just that I love the way you dripping, my nigga. Hey, manje njayami, as you've heard, my nigga, I just ask him the question. What is the importance of the woman in your life? Can you please look at the camera, my nigga? Don't be shy.
I mean, dog, I don't think I know now.
I don't know.
Yeah, but the thing is for them to give me kids to carry on the legacy. Yeah, that's what's up.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Alright, fire, guys. One love.
One love.
Asivalini show. Ngicela ngani ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thanks for your time. God bless you all the way up. Yabo every day. Guys, God bless. Ne? Don't smoke too much, please. You gotta slow down, my negros.
Shit out.
Then where do you buy your weed? So that's one day, maybe if we here in town.
Oh,
Eh.
we're gonna try and
I'm kidding, dog. You know. Asivale njaya. I'm joining usangihambi ngedwa. Angithola. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihambe ngedwa, ngihamba nabantu abadala. Namhlanje sinterview amajita niyabona sha umswenko bafethu. Just njami uba usondele closer nje just ukuthi bakhombise lo mswenko mfethu. Abo think different. Angithola. Awubatshengisa umswenko kalo mfethu. Manje ama price aqala khawo kumalini?
depending on the design. 5 clipper going up. So just the way.
Fuck.
5 clipper, you
Ne.
get something nice.
5 clip. Mani ngangishayela nje nami mfethu umswenko obhala home run.
Like say, one way.
Ne.
Yeah.
Showcase manje ngabe imalini lo hlama ngibuye la etown ngibuye ngisethile ngithathe nama-number just ngoba phela ngiyancanywa le trip especially lo kanje yabo hip hop kakho le nje mangathola this kind of thing man yabo ngithole ebhaliwe home run yabo home run with Makeba PMP ne ngacwala majumbo simele ngithathe inamba bafisi ngoba i5 clip bafisi ungayithola mawuthi yona mina kanjani angithi ngithola into engahluphileyo ngoba phela ngiyayishaya ngale mpahla inswempu ukuthi just now mfethu inyanga ayikapheli phela sibambile amatohoko Pick n Pay nje uyangithola please uyabo akuzoba grand majite elifini yini ongafuna ukubeyitshela abantu obhekile mhlawumbe ophantayo nawo usathunga lapha edladleni ohlanganisa kodwa manje akafiki le level akaziwo umuntu mhlawumbe unamahloni ukuthi ngiyayikhipha le drip yami abantu bathi hawu wekhe sneaker ayithola leyo nje yami ungathini lo muntu obhekile mfethu ofisa nakuphusha njengani ma chance
Keep on trimming, my nigga. Serious.